Which food grain crop occupies the largest part of the cropped area in India? Rice. Which atomic power station in India is built completely indigenously? Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu. Which process describes the breaking down of rocks into smaller particles through physical, chemical, or biological means? Weathering. The Jantia, Khasi, and Garo hills collectively form which plateau? Shillong Plateau. Tungabhadra Multipurpose Project is a joint undertaking of which two states? Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. What is the name of the Indian state that means peerless in the now extinct Ahom language? Assam.